Hi there, Emily Reeves in Flying Sparks Garage, and today we are going to use some of CRC's white lithium grease. I have a few applications to show you, but the list of uses for this lithium grease goes on and on and on. Let's fix a few squeaky things around here. Top applications for CRC's white lithium grease are car door hinges and locks. Other applications include lubricates machines, tools, equipment in the shop, on the farm, and in the home, such as brake and gear shift mechanisms, steering parts, hinges, latches, distributor cams, speedometer cables, seat tracks, ashtray guides, antennas, sprockets and chains, water pumps and garage door channels, overhead door tracks, open gears, cables, slide conveyors, guide rails, pistons, machinery, tools, and equipment. Also used as a break-in lubricant for bearings. It provides long-lasting lubrication with excellent water and heat resistance and film strength in any weather or temperature. Ideal for all metal-to-metal lubrication. Well, if you didn't know all the uses for CRC's white lithium grease, now you do. See you next time.